Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is everything I'm going to use today to make these super cute fluorescent orange nails. So let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, can we peep these nails though? They are XXL full cover sculpted coffin tips, and you can find this on AliExpress. I guess eBay and Amazon as well. They're kind of everywhere now. So yeah, you can find these and they're so handy if you don't have time to, sculpt out all your nails. So this is what I'm going to use today and just do like a really cool design over the top. So over the top, I can't even talk. But first what I'm doing, guys, is just scoring the inside and then I'm cleaning it. And this is just so the product has something to stick to. Product hates a smooth surface. So what I'm going to do is I've already prepped my nails, filed it down a little bit, then primed and dehydrated it. So I'm just going to go in with a layer of builder gel with a layer of base coat. Oh my gosh, there's something wrong with me today. I'm going in with a layer of base before I add my builder gel. This is the one I'm using. It's from 𝘕𝘢𝘪𝘭, and again, you can find it on AliExpress. That's honestly where I get like everything from. You just have to be patient, but the things will come, okay? Like 9 out of 10 things show up, okay? So that one thing that doesn't show up, you kind of just get your refund and it's okay, okay? It's okay. Go ahead and cop you that cheap little thing, because most of these things are like 4 times the price on eBay, AliExpress or whatever. Like some of these websites be charging, like there are some things that are honestly, I'm not even joking, like 5, 6, 7 times the price. So AliExpress is your friend. But yes, after putting on this tip, I realized that my light wasn't strong enough. Like if that light isn't beaming down, for example, it ain't right. Okay, so let me just quickly change that over and then I can continue. But yes, so all you want to do is just pop a little layer of builder gel at the cuticle, pop it on your nail. Make sure you have your finger the right way. You see how I just turned my finger? It's because you want it to be comfortable, so you can just go under the light with ease and you're not like struggling. If I put it on with the nail, with my hand, like my palm facing me, it's not comfortable. So yeah, make sure you're putting your fingers out. Cool, so now that you have a little layer of builder gel down by the cuticle and you have your finger pointing out the right way, you want to start by pushing the tip down on the cuticle and then pushing up. And that just avoids any air bubbles, and then you can just go in under the light, and without having air bubbles, you're good. It's gonna stay for a good couple of weeks. If there are some air bubbles, guys, it will lift, okay? Maybe not all the time, but 7 out of 10 times it will lift, okay? So just avoid this by pushing it down from the cuticle upwards. And guys, I know that little cut on my thumb from like weeks ago is still there. It's growing out, I'm getting there, okay? But I have been dying for that thing to disappear as well, because it's making my hands look crazy, okay? Half you people are like, is she even regular? Because out here calling yourself a nail tech and you like done cut through your nail. Like, no, it was seriously painful. But again, I am learning. For anyone that's new to the channel, first of all, subscribe, girl. I know you want to. I love you too. No, but seriously, you have to go through like trial and error. If you're learning something new and you ain't going through no trial and error, you ain't even doing it right. I don't know, maybe you were like profesh, maybe it was like passed down through your DNA, and something in your ancestry just makes you know how to learn the piano perfectly or ballet or whatever. But no, seriously, if you're not like breaking your toes or your nails, in my case, you ain't doing something right, okay? So it's gone for a while, okay? And hopefully I don't do it again. But yes, after all the nails are good, I go in with some prep. So first I just filed down the tips, because they come with that little like pointy area where they were like all attached during the manufacturing stage. And then I personally hate when I don't file down the cuticle once the nail's on, because it does make it look really press-on-y, and I kind of can't stand the look of press-ons because they look fake, okay? You at least want it to look like they were, sculpted on your nails, okay? Like you went in and paid for a good £100 set like, you know what I mean? So yeah, file down those cuticles. I'm telling you, they will look so much better in the long run. You should try with and without, and then you will totally understand. Okay, them edges there ain't cute. So yes, I'm just filing down the cuticles, and yeah, we can get to doing some art. I'm so excited. Guys, I just realized I forgot to take the sound out, and it's really annoying me because now I have to do my voiceover. It's voiceover day, and it's just going to take me forever to undo this sound. So I'm so sorry. For the next few seconds or about a minute, you're going to be hearing background noise, and hopefully it's not as irritating as I'm feeling right now, because I really put effort into these videos, okay? But no, it's okay, it's okay. So yes, onto the nails, guys. I chose this orange because I actually had done my toes earlier in the week and they looked so cute. I thought I have to try and match, right? So please tell me why this is the most fluorescent, most brightest thing I've ever had on my nails. And honestly, when I done these first two nails, I was like, wow, bright. But no, I thought, let me just continue. I'm sure I'm gonna find a way to sort this out. At this point, guys, I actually didn't know what I was going to do. I'm not even gonna lie. That first clip in the beginning with like everything is me doing that at the end, okay? But it's okay, you know, your girl editing skills coming together. Plus, no, actually, I didn't actually record an intro, so I kind of had to think of something quick, and that's just what it came out like. But yes, no, guys, after doing this layer of gel, I was like, it's a bit too thin and it's just looking too bright. So I did go in with another layer because I did want to not have it so jelly-like. And then I thought maybe if I matte it might work out. So it's kind of like I was trying to solve the issue of it being too bright and figure out a design as I went along. So I go in with my Beetles matte, and honestly, I feel like it did change everything. I do a layer of this, and when you're using matte, guys, make sure to cover the entire nail, because if you just miss a tiny bit, it's just going to be beaming through, like shining through, looking at you like, hey, remember me? And it's really annoying. So yes, after it's matted, I was a little happier, you know, the shine weren't there. And then I thought, ooh, you know what, I think if I cover it in some sugar design, it might work out. So I thought the easiest thing that I have seen to date is the Croc thing. Not the easiest, but the one that I think I can manage at my stage of learning. Okay, so I thought, let's go for this. I grab a dotting tool, and at first I just had clear top coat, you know, thinking that the acrylic was going to give it a lighter feel. I don't know why I thought that, okay? This is what I mean when I say it's easy, but it's not easy, because to another experienced nail tech, I'm sure she would have thought, it's not going to work out because she's using clear acrylic and the color's too bright. And so, you know, it comes out, but all good. Dust it off and you can't see a thing, guys. Couldn't see nothing. So I was like, no, I'm gonna have to lighten this color that I'm using on the top. So I just add white, add a bit of this orange, and I thought, please God, let this be better, okay? So first I done the test over what I had already done, and I'm not even gonna lie, like, I was kind of impressed after, like, seriously. In hindsight though, I wish I knew this was going to happen, and I think maybe I would have done the lighter color at the bottom. I'm not sure. I'm loving the nails. I'm like staring at them right now. So I'm actually loving it. I think it actually came out like what it was supposed to be. Perfect. And yes, it's only gonna get, you know, better in future. But once I had figured out the design and how to do it, I got more confident and I started like adding loads of gel on each nail before going in with the acrylic, because I noticed that it wasn't really running and things like that. So yes, guys, honestly, I feel like anyone can try this design. You just start by doing like thick blocks relative to the size of where the section is on the nail. Oh my god, I'm losing you. But no, yeah, and then you just like add dots on the side and then smaller dots in between those dots. So if you understood that, I commend you, okay? Because sometimes, honestly, guys, I feel like I'm the meaning of digress sometimes, seriously. I kept going, guys. Kept championing through and had a bit of faith, and honestly I feel like these nails came out so cute. I'd done the thumb video for TikTok, so you're not going to see me do the thumb, but in the end, honestly, it comes out so cute. So after doing this last nail, obviously I gotta add my beautiful cuticle oil. Just remember to get all the dust off, okay, and clean your edges as you go. So because I used 𝘠𝐸𝑢𝑥 nail gel, I thought I might as well just use their cuticle oil and represent. So yes, guys, after this, the nails come out so sweet. Honestly, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't, remember to hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out my giveaway. It's still on for another 3 weeks. All you have to do is be subscribed, like the giveaway video, which is the previous one, and then go show some love on my Instagram, okay? And that's it, guys. Thanks, bye guys.